Hello everybody, these are power keys, impressions, a popular type. Here they are all the same. The only difference is in the length, the longest a little shorter and the shortest. The difference is small, a millimeter, 1.5 or 2. That is, it's small, but these millimeters matter. These power keys are standard, that is, they are suitable for common lock profiles. Imperial, Apex, that is standard. Chinese, Turkish, and they are also suitable for multi-lock 7+7 and integrator. For multi-lock 7+7 integrator, we take either the longest or a little shorter one. And for China, we take the shortest. The point is that the power keys themselves are made in this place with an expansion. In the place of the stop, the metal expands. That is, here it's the strongest, and it is important if you insert a long power key, for example, into a short lock, that is, it goes in, but not all the way, and it will break in this place. And if it's short, then the short one fits as it should. In the place of expansion, on the thick part, it fits as it should and accordingly is twice as strong. Simply put, for a short key we take a short roll, for longer keys we take longer rolls. Let's say a multi-lock. Either the longest one or a little shorter. Now let's try to open a multi-lock. You can use WD or something like WD lubricant. Once again, this is a short one. We take a medium one. I take a medium one, you can take either a long one or a medium one. By the way, they are interchangeable. Let's say the medium one breaks. You can take a long one, or vice versa, the long one breaks, you can take a medium one. They are interchangeable. So we make a little shape on the back and put it on the working part and insert it so that the foil remains unwrinkled. It is important that the foil remains unwrinkled. Here is the moment when it wrinkled. Once again. Because if the foil wrinkles, the lock most likely will not open. It is advisable to watch from the below how the power key goes in to see that the foil is not crumpled. Be sure to go as far as possible. And when working with a multi-lock, immediately add a little bit more load. That is, start with a slightly higher load right away. Gradually swing. You can reload the foil. This is the multi-lock 7+7. Integrator, the same story. Now if we need to work with a Chinese profile, choose the shortest one. Basically, the shortest is for China. China can be different. China can also have long keys. Therefore, sometimes you need a long power key. You can immediately put it on the working part. Carefully. Start slowly, and if it doesn't open cleanly, then add a load gradually. So that's how it all works. These power keys are popular. They are suitable for most Chinese ones, multi-log and integrator 7+7. They are interchangeable. For example, even if the shortest one breaks and even the medium one breaks, the long one will also replace them. It just won't work as well. In principle, they all replace each other. It's just optimal because the lengths are different and you can choose the best one for each cylinder. The working foil is 06 cut. So, such a kit we have. The price will be on the website.